guys, welcome back to Everyday Glamin, where we bring everyday glam to everyday life. If you are not a subscriber of Everyday Glamin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm waiting. Go ahead, hit it. And at the end of this video, if you feel that it was beneficial, please thumbs up this video, share this video, and let me know your thoughts below in the comments section. So, what we're going to be talking about today is an awesome product, deep conditioner that is going to help with my damaged hair. Now, as you all can see, my hair is kind of heat damaged in the front. I was on a whole blowout kick for about 3 months, and it definitely killed my curl pattern in the front. My hair does have color in it. I will just do a turn for you. My curls are a little bit better in the back, but in the front, you can definitely tell that there is some damage to my hair. So we're going to be doing a deep condition treatment from NaturAll Club to show you just how awesome their product is. Now, I did collaborate with NaturAll Club to show you guys their products. They do have a variety of different products for your hair type, for your hair situation. And what they do is when you go on their website, you can do a quiz to see what treatment works best for your hair. So after doing the treatment, I found out that my hair was damaged. Which I already knew that, but I mean, I'm not excited about that, but I'm glad that I found something that I can try to see if it can help repair my hair. So like I said, this is from NaturAll Club. I'll post the link to their website below, and I'll also post a discount code for you guys, so if you want to order it, you can use my discount code to get a discount from them. And also at the end of this video, I'll be telling you about a giveaway where you guys can get 1 month free of the NaturAll Club to see how you like it. So, it just came in a box like this. So, it just came in the box with all of the goodies in it. And the first thing that you see is welcome to the club. So, it is just a postcard saying welcome to the club. Hey there, beautiful. Welcome to your first NaturAll Club box. We have a lot in store for you in the health of your hair. What's in the box? So you get, of course, the deep conditioner that you selected. Now, this deep conditioner is primarily made of avocados and other natural ingredients. So it does recommend as soon as you get the product to put it in your freezer if you're not going to use it. And when you're ready to use it, take it out and defrost it for 2 hours. So I did that because I wasn't ready to use it when I received it. And I just set it out this morning and let it get, thawed out. So it comes with the deep conditioner. It comes with the NaturAll Hair Club Serum. So this is the little serum in this little container. So this is what you actually put on your hair. Oop, it's so bright. This is what you actually put on your hair after you are done with the treatment. So you have that, and then you also get a hair tie. So it recommended that you use this hair tie if your hair is longer when you have the treatment in to kind of help it all stay together. You get a hair cap that you put on while the treatment is on your hair, just like a shower cap. And it also includes a card with the ingredient spotlight. This one is vitamin E, so it talks about the benefits of vitamin E. And it also has like a members corner for the month of April that has like a little review from some customer that left a review. So this is kind of cool. Just kind of tells you about it, and then also includes what's in the box, and then it kind of gives you some quick directions on what you need to do. So for this, like I said, I took it out, froze it, put it in the freezer until I was ready to use it, and I took it out and thawed it out. So what the first steps are, we're going to do this now so you guys can see, with the cool spray bottle that they sent, which I'm pretty happy about the spray bottle. I know it seems really like crazy that I'm excited about a spray bottle, but when I travel, I take my big old spray bottle, so it's always like, huge. So this one I can actually take with me. They do say, remember that this is a one-time thing, so when you get your spray bottle in your first bottle, make sure you save it. I'm just get my hair really damp. So I have it pretty damp, and next we are going to apply the deep conditioner. So it is in a little pouch that you just kind of tear it open. So I'm just gonna tear it open. And I don't know if you guys know, but well, you probably know, but a lot of products that I've been seeing say, apply the products from roots to, from ends to root. A lot of times, probably, when I was growing up and stuff like that, we would always, start at your roots and go out. But because with natural hair, the part that's the most damaged and the most fragile as your ends, that's where you need to start and go to the roots. You don't need to put product on your root. You really don't. You can put oil and stuff on your roots, but deep conditioners, it's mainly for your hair. So you don't need to worry about massaging your scalp with no deep conditioner. It smells really good. It smells like it has some type of peppermint in it. So tea tree, that's what I'm smelling. I'm smelling tea tree oil. All natural ingredients. And I don't see any kind of like weird products that you can't pronounce. So I'm really excited about that. You know, some products you're like, what is that? So this is how it looks. It looks like some avocado. This is not edible, guys, so do not eat it. But when you smell it, you're like, I love avocados. So
I'm just going to take the product and start kind of pulling it through my hair. Like I said, I'll kind of grab the ends first and then work my way up. Now this one packet does do one deep condition, and you have the option to kind of do, you know, one by one that does one deep condition, or you can buy a box that does multiple. So you kind of have options with it. So I'm just going from my ends in.
I have it all over my hair, and I'm going to just do a spin for you. So because like I said, I feel like my hair is really damaged, I will be doing the maximum amount of time. I will be leaving this in for 45 minutes, and I am going to put on the little plastic cap that came in the bag and just let it sit on my hair for 45 minutes, and I will come back to you guys once that 45 minutes is up, and after I have washed and conditioned my hair with my normal products that I use to wash and condition my hair, so you guys can see the results and I can kind of let you know how it feels. Alright guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hey y'all, so I am back. I actually ended up leaving the treatment on for about an hour. So I did a few tasks in my house while I was waiting on it to take, you know, control of this damaged hair, and I left it on for an hour. So I just got done washing and conditioning my hair with my normal shampoo and conditioner that I like to use. Right now I'm using the Pantene Pro V Gold series, so I really like that moisture boost shampoo and conditioner. But I have my towel on and I am taking it off now, and let's see the results. Y'all, my hair is legit so soft. Look at this. Don't mind my horrible edges. Years and years of weave have not been good to me. Track weave, that is. But look at this. Look at this. Look at my fingers. Look at this. I mean, like straight through it. You guys see, I just took the towel off. I have not detangled my hair. I have not put any other products in my hair. I just took my towel off and ran upstairs so I could show you guys the results. Like, and this part of my hair, because there are some straight parts, it is usually like not where you can run your fingers through it. So look at that. Look at that. Y'all, like, this treatment, my hair is so soft. I wish you guys could feel it, and it just like feels amazing. I'm so excited to see how it styles. I definitely needed this treatment. Like I said, thank you NaturAll Club for collaborating with me to do this video, because I freaking love this stuff. Like, my hair feels like amazing. Now I want to get some for my daughter's hair. My daughter's hair is, I want to say 3A, and she has really dry hair, so I'm definitely going to try the dry one to see if it helps for her hair, because it can be used on children, so that's also a plus. So definitely going to, you know, get up on this. Loving the way my hair is feeling. It does come with this little serum that you add on your hair afterwards. So it says to add a dime size amount. So I'm going to get some out, and I am going to add it to my hair now. So I'm just going to rub it in my hands. I have about that much. Might be more than a dime size amount, just because I'm like, you know, a little bit. But I think that should be good. It smells really good. It smells like some kind of cake or something. Or some kind of batter. And it turns really oily on your hands, so that's awesome. So I'm just going to add this to my hair. Container is really small, but it is a lot in there, so I mean, I think it could probably, you know, last a good amount of time, because you're only using a little bit. So this little container Definitely will last you a while. So, loving this. Definitely going to get some for my daughter to try on her hair. And I'm going to continue using the serum. I will let you guys know, you know, how my hair does after I get done styling it. And I thank you for watching. And now we're going to get to the giveaway part. So are you interested in trying NaturAll Club treatment? I know you are, because, I mean, look at the results of my hair. Like, amazing. So, if you are interested in trying this product, what I need you to do is 3 things. I need you to be already subscribed to my channel, or if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. That's number 1. Number 2, go and follow my Instagram page. My Instagram page is EveryDayGlamin. That's all, EveryDayGlamin, and I'll put a link below to my Instagram page. And number 3, I want you to email me your name and you can DM me on Instagram, or you can email it to me. Email me your name and your email address. My email address is everydayglamin@gmail.com. I'll also put that below. So those are the 3 things that you have to do to be entered into this giveaway. So subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram page, EveryDayGlamin, and send me an email with your name and email in it, and that will enter you into the giveaway. I'll put for sure when this giveaway will be, when the winner will be chosen for this giveaway below, so you guys will know. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in to Everyday Glamin with Stace. Again, thank you to NaturAll Club for collaborating with me to try out this lovely treatment. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and post it below in the comments. Thank you for joining Everyday Glamin with Stace, where we bring everyday glam to everyday life. Bye guys.